the Hudson Valley, and this is how you get to Sleepy Hollow. We are on the Metro North train, which is from East 42nd Street. And this is a pretty amazing day to be arriving in Sleepy Hollow, which is the Metro North station to Tarrytown. $11.25. You can get here in about 40 minutes if you take an express train. And today is the Halloween parade. I love riding the Metro North trains. I find them very clean and quite quick. So again, $11.25. East 42nd Street. Bring you to beautiful Hudson Valley region. There is the Tappan Zee Cuomo Bridge that will bring you over to Nyack. That's one of the things I like to do in the wintertime to see the Christmas lights, but it's autumn. Heading over to the Halloween parade. Till next time, from ever beautiful New York loves fall.